Are you ready? What's inside the box today? The box today, the box today. What's inside the box today? Shall we see?
The radio.
We've got some ducks. Should we count our ducks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little ducks. And we've got a mommy duck.
I thought you just had 4.
Should we sing what song should we sing?
5 little ducks.
5 little ducks went swimming one day. Are we ready? 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 and only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 and only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 and only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 and only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 and no little ducks came swimming back.
Just what?
Well done. We've all gone on an adventure. Should we see what else we've got in our songbox?
Yeah.
Are you ready to sing our song?
Did you bring this? Did you bring this with the mummy dog?
Should we have a look? Should we have a look what's in here? Come on. What's inside the box today? The box today, the box today. What's inside the box today? Shall we see? See what's in here. Oh. What do you thought? Should we do Hickory Dickory Dock?
Yeah.
Come on. We'll do that one maybe next time.
Bob the Builder Popper.
We'll have a look. Maybe he might come for a comment bun. But should we do Hickory Dickory Dock? Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock. Should we do number 2?
Yeah.
You ready? Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 2, 1, 2. The mouse said boo! Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock. Should we see what else we've got in our box?
Yeah.
Ready for our box off? You ready? What's inside the box today? The box today, the box today. What's inside the box today? Shall we see? Would you like to pick the next one? Whoa, what have we got here? Should we do jumping on the bed or swinging in the tree?
Swinging in the tree.
Swinging in the tree. Come on then, let's do 5 little monkeys swinging in the tree. 5 little monkeys swinging in the tree. Teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. And Mr. Crocodile as quietly as can be. And snap went the crocodile, I'll eat you for my tea. 4 little monkeys swinging in the tree. Teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Look at Mr. Crocodile, as quietly as can be. And snap went the crocodile, I'll eat you for my tea. 3 little monkeys swinging in the tree. Teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Mr. Crocodile, as quietly as can be. And snap went the crocodile, I'll eat you for my tea. So we've got some more monkeys left. How many monkeys now? 2. 2 little monkeys swinging in the tree. Teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. And look at Mr. Crocodile, as quietly as can be. And snap went the crocodile, I'll eat you for my tea. How many monkeys? One little monkey swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile as quietly as can be, and snap went the crocodile, I'll eat you for my tea. Today, the box today, the box today, what's inside the box today, shall we see? You have to choose my next song. Which one would you like?
Hello.
We're getting into Wincy again. Are you ready? Incy, Wincy, spider, climbing up the spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine that dried up all the rain. So Incy, Wincy, spider, climbed the spout again. Oh, look there now. Excellent. Would you like to choose the next one? Yeah? What's inside the box today, the box today, the box today? What's inside the box today, shall we see? Which one would you like to choose? Give me that one. Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you, said the master, thank you, said the dame, thank you, said the little boy who lives down the lane. It is you are going to choose this time. Yeah, you ready? You can help me, you ready? Inside the box today, the box today, the box today. What's inside the box today, shall we see? Which one would you like to choose this time? Oh, what are they? Currant buns. Shall we see how many currant buns we have? Do you think Bob the Builder might come and have one? Let's see. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 currant buns, and our sheep is eating one. You ready? 4 currant buns in a baker's shop, round and fat with a cherry on the top. Along came Bob the Builder with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away. 3 currant buns in the baker's shop, round and fat with a cherry on the top. Along came the sheep with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away. 2 currant buns in a baker's shop, round and fat with a cherry on the top. Along came Peppa Pig with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away. How many left? 1 currant bun in a baker's shop, round and fat with a cherry on the top. Along came Fireman Sam with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away.
Now we've all got one.
We have all got one.
She's got one.
Should we do one more song? Would you like to choose our next song that's in here? Should we see what it is? What's inside the box today? The box today, the box today. What shall we see? What's in there? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Can we all sing it? You ready?
She's eating the bunny.
Are you ready to help me sing Twinkle, Twinkle? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh God, our songs, we've done lots of singing, haven't we? What's that one? Oh, round around the garden. Don't do that one.
Yeah.
Get your hand. Round around the garden like a teddy bear. 1 step, 2 step, tickle you everywhere.